Hello you guys, it is me Shanda and I am back for part 2 of H&M Try-on hauls. You guys asked for it, so I finally found the time to do it. I definitely have enough stuff to do it. And if you see something that you love, go to the caption below where I will have links to everything that I try on in this video. For this first look, I am wearing a Rolling Stones t-shirt. It's a cream color. I love this color. I paired it with some cream bike shorts that are also from H&M. I have been on a t-shirt and bike short kick all summer. So that's pretty much going to be the theme throughout this, is definitely daytime comfortable. And I also wanted to show these sneakers because I've been wearing them on repeat nonstop. I'll include them in the links as well. For this look, I'm wearing the same bike shorts and I paired it with this blue and white striped button-up. I love button-ups with bike shorts. It makes you look just a little bit more dressed up, but it's just as comfortable as wearing a t-shirt. So you just get a little bit more of a chic vibe, but you still feel super comfy. This one is really lightweight, so it's great for summer. You could just roll up the sleeves if you get too hot, but it's definitely very airy. For this look, I'm wearing the same bike shorts and I paired it with this Nirvana t-shirt. I absolutely love the color of this and it's super comfortable. In all the t-shirts from H&M, pretty much, I get a size medium. Sometimes I get a size large, but most that are shown in this video, I just went with a size medium because they're already kind of oversized. I am 5'3" for reference. For this look, I am wearing some super comfortable shorts. I am really picky about jean shorts because even though I love the look of them, they're so uncomfortable to me, but this pair was surprisingly very comfortable. I paired it with this kind of beige colored button-up that's super lightweight. It looks cute down. You could wear it with bike shorts as well. It's kind of the same style as the other ones, so it's super versatile. So I fell in love with this as soon as I saw it. When it first came out, they were selling a long version and then they came out with this shorter version, which I loved for summer. I just paired this with a pair of bike shorts underneath, but it kind of looks a little bit like a dress. So it's very versatile. It's also very lightweight. And these thongs were so cute. I love this red color. It's so fun for summer. And they're short, so they're comfortable to walk in. I am not normally a dress person during the day, but this year I have ventured into the t-shirt dress zone and I'm absolutely loving it. I've been stocking up on all these long oversized t-shirt dresses and I thought this one was a really fun play because it has the kind of a little bit like a false shoulder pads shoulder and it has the high slit, so it makes it more summery and definitely a lot more sexy. But it is very, very comfortable and I actually ended up getting this in multiple colors, but this green is such a great color. Here you'll see it in the beige color. I paired it the same way, but it's just super comfortable for on the go, but it gives you a little bit more dressed up girly look. And again, the super cute shoulder pad look, which really elevates this from a regular t-shirt dress to a much more fashionable piece. For this look, I'm wearing one of my favorite H&M purchases this year. This white linen button-up shirt is so soft, so airy, so perfect for summer, and I think it'll go great into the fall. I actually am wearing a size medium. I purchased this in the store, and when I went online wanting to get an extra small as well, they were sold out of the extra smalls. So my fingers are crossed, hoping that they come back in stock and I can get a smaller size to have one for a more fitted look. For this look, I'm wearing some bike shorts again and another button-up, but this button-up is actually even more lightweight than any of the others. It's a gauze material that's a little bit see-through and it's very cool. You could actually wear this as a swimsuit cover-up. I'm wearing a size large in this, I believe, because it's not quite as oversized as the other ones. And you can see I paired it with these olive bike shorts and this olive tank top. It's a matching set. For this look, I kind of went out on a limb. I don't wear pink very often, and I'm not even sure that you can tell that this is pink. It's so subtle, but it is a pink and white striped button-up. It's a little bit more heavy-weighted. I am wearing a medium in this as well and paired it with the same cream bike shorts I had on before. If you liked this video, please hit the like button. And if you loved hanging out with me, please give me a follow and become part of my new YouTube family. Thank you guys for hanging out.